15 lineup, no? So we have 4 recurve men, 3 recurve women, 4 compound men, and 4 compound women. So yun yung team composition. Okay, so for recurve men, it will be Jason Feliciano, Reyna Nawu, Gervin Garcia, and Jonathan Riaport. Recurve women, it will be Abby Bidaure, Naina Tagle, and Juliana Garcia. For compound men, it will be Paul De La Cruz, Alon Hukutan, Carl Datan, and Flor Matan. Compound women, it will be Aya Coangco, Vanessa Caparas, Christine Ibag, and Ariana Lim. No, so then our coaching staff, it will be Joy Marino, Abby Tindugan. We have a new one, Romnick Balmeo. And then si Coach Ryu will be the head coach for the archery team.
Sir, si Coach, what recurve and compound lang hahawakan niya?
Right now, it's focusing on recurve because, okay, so compound naman natin, they're quite stable. Actually, a month ago or 1.5 months ago, we brought in a compound coach coming from Luxembourg, si Maria Klein Scola. She was world ranking rank number 7 siya, doing compound. So nauna na actually yung training camp ng compound team. We asked her to do the assessment. So ever since naman our compound team is quite stable. So we're really okay. Medals wise, I don't think we have a problem there. Compound will bring in medals. That's my forecast. So right now the focus is to really bring back yung glory days ng recurve team natin.
Sir, sa national team lang tayo mag-concentrate. What about dun sa mga juniors natin? Kasi malapit yung Youth Olympic Games. Is it part nung magiging program sa kanya?
Or yeah, so the plan is going into 2026. 2026. Actually, we'll be focusing more on the grassroots and the youth program. Maraming questions among the community. Maybe this is the first, and you guys will hear it out first. There will be tryout evaluations in January, both for Team A, which is our national team, and the youth team, under 21 and under 18. We're also lining up international tournaments for the youth team next year. Aside from Youth Olympic Games as the target, we would want to get better results or good results in the youth championships in 2027. So, yung discussion namin ni Coach in terms of preparation, kasama ang youth, and Coach wants na if matuloy yung 24 months contract next year, she wants to start preparing the youth team as early as February for 2027 Youth Championships in Turkey. So medyo ganun kahaba yung gusto ni Coach na training time. Just going back to the SEA Games, sabi nga ni Coach sa akin, had we started this a month earlier, sabi niya, fearless forecast, kaya natin mag-gold. Medyo kapos sa time right now, but she's happy with what's going on right now, and medyo positive yung yung feeling niya na good things will happen in SEA Games. I mean, whatever happens, ang sabi lang sa ni Coach, there's no way to go but up for archery.
Sir, saan po yung pinaplanong training ng national team?
Okay, so currently we have the Marikina as the center, no, or pinaka archery training headquarters. We have regional training center set up already in Candon. We're working out a regional training center in Bacolod, and we're also working with one regional training center in Davao. So Coach's plan is starting next year we will go around the Philippines, because she doesn't expect that the kids in the provinces will be able to come to Marikina. So sabi ni coach, bring me there, let's bring archery there. We develop coaches there, and then we develop the archers there. So that's the plan. Then the national team will stay in Marikina. So to be open about it, it's not going to be Coach Ryu only that we're trying to work on for the 24 months contract. Coach Ryu will have her team. So what we're saying is, hindi lang to isang Korean coach. So medyo tough, but on our end, but we'll see. We're really doing our best because, yun nga, according to chairman, there's no way to go but up. We want to be the best. We have to bring in the best team.
To Coach Rio, ma'am, PSC Chairman Pato Gregorio said that our technique has been very quite too old. Yeah. With you, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Record is obsolete. With you, ma'am. Here, can we say that not just the athletes that we will develop, but also the coaches and our techniques and also the techniques for the kids?
Techniques not only develop those of the coaches, but also players and coaches.
Is that
Yeah.
the strategy?
Yeah. In coaching.
근데 여기 이제 필리핀 지도자들은 누군가를 잘 해본 경험이 없기 때문에 일단은 첫 번째 보고 배워야 한다. 지도하는 하는 모습을 보고 배워야 한다. 두 번째 보고 난 후에 자신의 것으로 만들어서 창조해 나가야 한다. 일단 보고 하는 모습을 보고 배우면서 두 번째 필리핀만의 방식으로 창조해 나가야 한다고 생각한다.
Is you, please.
At first, in the Philippine coaches, they don't have any experience about coaching, so they need to run about somebody who have success about the coaching. So after learning about someone who have success about coaching, and then make their own style.
그래서 훈련장에서 의도적으로 기본에 대해서 처음부터 기본에 대해서 이야기를 많이 하면서 훈련을 한다.
Yes.
So she tended to talk about basic in the training. So the coaches can heard about the basic in the training center.
Yeah. Okay.
So siguro I'll add, no?
Yeah.
So what we're trying to